YouTube, Jamie from Oz here. So another quick visit to the old man's workshop. He's had a bit of a chance to tidy up since the Colchester arrived, and we've got some more stock arrived from a friendly local machine shop. These are drops of 4140 ground finish hydraulic cylinder rod. Apparently there's a pallet full of this back at the workshop. We've got the trusty Mag 195 gantry crane, the 7-inch metal cutting bandsaw, and the shot air supply, DRO, which I think is going onto the CVA, and progress on the Colchester. Dad's done a bit of work cleaning up the, what's that, the fixed steady?
Yep.
And that looks like the slide for the 612 Buffalo microcut, and
14-inch faceplate.
14-inch D16, I think you said, isn't it?
Yep.
And panning back to the Colchester, and he's been doing a bit of hard work on getting all the grime off, where it looks like there is really very little wear
There's plenty of work
on anything, even up close to the headstock. That's just, you can't feel any wear at all. Cleaning all the lead screws down, cleaning all the controls down. This just looks like it's in such nice condition. Very cool. And still got some crap in the bottom to clean out, but that'll come. Control box, gearbox, that's all looking good. He's got this drained out at the moment, and he's been clearing out 50 years worth of grime from that inside here. It's all looking real pretty. Thanks to Bruce Witham. Again, the legend. A drain tap for the sump, so that we've got a tap on that. But Dad's been working pretty bloody hard this last couple of months, so hasn't as much time as he'd like on this one. But he's definitely making progress. Now that there's a bit more space to throw a cap, we've got the decal, the GK21, and alongside that is the CVA. It's 1956 tool room lathe. That one's D13, I think.
Yep.
And the size of this little baby chuck is quite small compared to the other one. Really nice machine, this one as well. Such a wide saddle, typical of the tool making. I think this machine is very similar to the Monarch 10EE, similar sort of era and specification. Done a little bit of work on that, including printing out a new set of labels for the speed on the gearbox. I think we've got an oil leak on this one that we still want to fix up. Swinging around to the KV2.
K2V.
K2V. I
Extra.
keep thinking about the sound system with the same name, but not. DRO, Metatoyo DRO. I think we're looking at a 3-axis on this potentially, or maybe a 4-axis with the quill and the Z table. A range of chucks from the assorted other machines, the air spindle and the radius and angle dresser, and some more bits and bobs down the bottom.
Still need some of these.
Still need some more. Okay. Another little find that I managed to locate at one point is this little arrangement, which is what this 6-jaw Pratt & Whitney chuck sits on. It is a Brearley 19L748958 model ZB32. If anybody's got any information on this, I'm really interested to find out about it. We've got a an angle at the bottom, got a setter for different size drills, right hand and left hand drills. I'll pull the chuck off, well, just like that. And the operation of this is cam operated in 2 directions, which is also lockable at the back and rotatable and all kinds of funky stuff. So what's this, 85, 75 through to 180 degrees marked on the outer and on the inner. So you can set a number of compound angles. There's different stops, hard stops, index stops, all kinds of funky stuff. So really keen to find out more about this. Of course, through to the Douglas Shaper, which still has our gear cutting attachment sat on there. We need to make some more index wheels so that we can cut some more gears. Those gears being the change gears for the CVA to do metric screw cutting. And we continue to poke around the corner, the Hercus 9AR. And this baby has the Taylor chuck on it. Travelling in fixed steadies, all the fruit quick change tool posts. There's quite a number of
About 10.
10 over there, tool holders. Alongside, oh, I forgot to mention, of course, the Clarkson tool and cutter grinder. The gator chuck that we saw the other day. A little bit of metrology. Oh yeah, D16 cam lock pins. What's that, the K0 or something? Indexing.
Something like that, yeah.
What was it, Brown and Sharp?
Yeah.
B0 or something.
BS0. About a 4-inch.
Yeah.
It's full.
And that's our Toyo base.
4-inch.
Typical of some of these bits of offcut. Just a chunk like that.
Waiting to be played with.
Yes. Lots of fun. Anyway, we have had the dinner bell rung. So the last thing on the way out is just to tease Troy again, because we know how much he lusts after the 612 Buffalo surface grinder. So, of course, down on the floor we have the cross slide, roller bearing, and a few things we need to do to bring this back into condition. But the project has started. Hopefully it won't be too much longer. It's a coolant catch tray, drain bar off the back. Somebody was asking about how to add coolant onto a similar, I think it was PNN something, grinder. But we'll get some more shots of that, hopefully make a bit of fun. Anyway, thanks for watching, another quick interlude, and we'll catch you next time. Just so simple. Different speed range, 470. And there aren't any chips anywhere on any of the teeth. I'm going to give it another burst with Kero before I do that. So it's 470, 625. Can't wait to get the 6-jaw on. Yeah. And I think the other thing will be to get a collet chuck on the CVA. So we go from this to that. And even this in here is cleaned up. All this crap here, it's got signs of wear, so I'll just give it a spot of paint. Nice. This is oil. There's no dings anywhere. There's a ding there. Oh shit. Yeah. Bit tough, isn't it? But the rest of it's absolutely bloody spotless. There's one here. Look at that. Oh, Bloody
send it back.
apprentice.
Take it back.
Bloody apprentice.
This is just oil.
As long as it's under, it should be okay.
Uh-huh.
Gonna make yourself a new set of wipers for it.
Probably have to, yeah.
Not bad for a 1960 something lathe.
But yeah, if you get light on there,
Absolutely spotless. There's a few marks on this.
I don't think we're particularly worried about that.
Light stoning.
Happy days. We'll paint the back of it.
Splash guard.
Yeah. Straighten up that bit at the top. Build a rack here for collets and what have you.
No, it's going to be a beauty.
This is just overrun from crap at the top.
Lovely.